Hello students, welcome to maths class. So today in our class we are going to learn the chapter Algebraic Expression. So first, what does this mean? Algebraic expression. An algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which consists of terms, that means coefficient, variables along with the algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, etc. Means what? Algebraic expression consist of what? Terms which includes coefficient and variable along with the operations like addition and subtraction. Let us see some examples of algebraic expression. So for example, 2x minus 3y. Now this is one example of algebraic expression. 2x minus 3y is an expression. Here, what are terms, what are coefficient, what are variables, and what is operation? So let us see terms for this expression 2x minus 3y. Terms are what? 2x minus 3y. This 2 is what? Terms. Coefficient, what are coefficient? Coefficient means the number 2 and 3. See, 2 and 3 are numbers that are called coefficient, and variables are the alphabets x, y. So in this, variable is x and y. Operation, what operation is performed on this? Minus, subtraction. So terms is 2x minus 3y. This expression consists two terms, 2x and 3y. Two terms it consists, and coefficients are 2 and 3. Variable is the alphabets. So here x and y. Operation, subtraction. So let us see few more examples. See, term, coefficient and variables. See, 11mn is the term, so it has only one term. What is coefficient in this? The number 11, and variable is mn. Now see the second example, minus 9x square y cube. So this term, this is also one term, and here coefficient is what? Minus 9. With this, along with the sign, coefficient we have to take along with the sign. For example, 11 has with sign plus sign. So plus, if we show, it's okay. If we can show or we cannot. For minus we need to show it. So minus 9, and what are variables? X and y is the variable. You don't have to write x square y cube. You just have to write what are the alphabets used. What are the alphabets? So alphabets are variables. Just write the alphabets. Now third example is what? 5 upon 6 p. So 5 upon 6 will come under coefficient, and p will go in variable part. Now fourth example, simply a is written. What does this mean? No number is there means what? 1. So 1 we will write in coefficient. When only alphabet is there, no number means 1. We have to consider as 1. And what is the variable here? A. So this term a has coefficient 1 and variable a. So let us study this in more details. See, the algebraic expression 15 minus x. This is one expression which has two terms. 15 is one term, and the x is what? Minus x is the second term. See, the first term is 15 is a number. The second term is minus x. This expression has two terms, 15 and minus x. Here the coefficient of variable x. What will be the coefficient of variable x? Minus 1, as no number means minus 1. So coefficient of variable x is minus 1. Terms which have same variables with the same powers are called like term. See, for example, like term means the terms which have same variable with the same power. Means the two terms, if they have same variable with the same power, variable means alphabet with the same power, then they will be considered as a like terms. See, for example, 2x comma 5x. So 2x and 5x. 2x 5x minus 2 by 3x. So here all the three terms has x with the power 1. So all these three terms will be considered as like terms. Why? Because all the three terms has a variable with the same power. So now the second one, see, minus 5x x cube y comma 6 by 7 y x cube. So here also, see, x cube is there, and second term also, second expression also has x cube, and y with the power 1, and 6 by 7 also it has y with the power 1. So minus 5x cube y and and 6 by 7 y x cube, both are what, like terms, as both have the same variables with the same power. And unlike term, what do we mean by unlike term? See, for example, 7xy, this is one expression, 9y cube minus 2xyz. So here all three terms, see, all three terms has a variable, but they don't have the same power. Variable xy, and in the second term y, variable y has the power 3. Third term minus 2xyz. So variables are not same with the same powers. So they will be considered as unlike terms. If the variable with the same power is there, then they will be considered as like term. See, types of algebraic expression. Now expressions are named after the number of terms they have. Expression with one term are called monomial. If the expression have only one term, then it will be considered as monomial. Those with two terms will be considered as binomial. With three terms will be considered as trinomial. And if they have more than three terms, they are called polynomials. See, for example, monomials. Now monomials, what I said, monomials will have only one term. So as you can see in monomial part, 4x is there, 5 by 6 m minus 7. So only one term is there. For binomial, two terms are there, 2x, 3y. Two term is there, 2x and 3y. 2l plus 2b. So two terms you can see. And one more example is they have given 3mn minus 5m cube n. So two terms if they have, then it will be called as binomial. And three terms, if three terms are there, it will be called as trinomial, a plus b plus c. So as you can see, three terms are there, so trinomial. One more example, x square minus 5x plus 6. You can see three terms are being used, so it is called as trinomial. If more than three terms are there, then that will be considered as, that expression, algebraic expression, will be considered as polynomial. See, first, see, as you can see, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b cube. First one has how many? How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. So more than 3 terms will be called as polynomial. See, second one, second example. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. So more than 3 terms, as I have said just now, more than 3 terms will become and will be coming under polynomial. So if one term, monomial, if two terms are there, binomial, if three terms are there, trinomial, if more than 3 terms, that means it can be 4, 5, 6. So it will be coming under polynomials. More than 3 terms, it will be come under polynomial. Now we will see how to add the algebraic expression. For example, the first question, 7a square b square 6 plus 16c. This is one expression. We have to add with the second expression, 2c minus 28a square b square. So there are two methods to add, horizontal method and one is what, vertical method. So let us see first how to add an horizontal method. So first we will write 7a square b square plus 16c plus 16c. We have to add with the second expression, that after that semicolon there, that is the what, second expression. So now we will collect the like terms together. See, 17a square minus 28a square b square. plus 16c plus 28c. So like terms we will take together, and after that we will add it. Now see, 28c. So 17 plus minus is what? Minus. So 17, 28 minus 17 is how much? 11, a square b square, and bigger number, bigger number is what? 28. So 11 will get minus sign. Plus 16 plus 28c is 44c. So our final answer, you have to write the sign properly. Minus 11 a square b square plus 44c. This is one method, horizontal method of adding algebraic expression. Now see, vertical method. Now how to add vertically? See, first write the first expression, 17a square b square plus 16c. Then second expression is what? Second expression is 28c minus 28a square b square. So like terms you have to write the proper like terms, you have to write according to that place. So 28a square b square have minus sign with it, so I have written minus also with 28a square b square. Now plus minus is what? Minus. 17 has plus sign, 28 has minus sign, so plus minus minus. So we get minus 11 a square b square plus plus 16 has plus sign, 28 has plus sign. So 16 plus 28 is 44c. Similarly, in this method only we have to subtract also. See, how do we carry out subtraction? Subtraction of second expression from the first expression. Similar methods, you can use any one method to solve, either horizontal method or vertical method. Whichever method you find it easy, you can solve it with that method. It is not compulsory that you have to solve it by both the method. You can use any one. So now how to do subtraction? See, 4x plus 16z. This is one expression. Second expression is what? 19y minus 14z plus 16x. So first let us see how to subtract with horizontal method. Horizontal method, 4x plus 16. First we will write the first expression. I missed the 16z. So see, and second expression is what? 19y minus 14z plus 16 with the minus sign. Now minus, after opening the bracket with the minus sign, all the sign will get changed as minus is there outside the bracket. So 19 will get minus sign, 14 which was having minus, it will get plus sign, plus 16 will become minus 16 as minus sign is there outside the bracket. It changes all the sign of the inside bracket. See, 4x, we have to collect the like terms together now. 4x minus 16y. See, I have forgotten here 16z is there in the question. I have just written 16 minus 19y and plus 16z is like term with plus 14z. Okay. So now we will carry out. Now see, we have to collect the like terms. So x together, y together, z together. So 4x minus 16x plus 4x has which sign? Plus sign. So plus minus becomes minus. So 16 minus 4 is how much? 12. And 16, bigger number is what? 16 or 4? 16 is there. So 16 has minus sign. That's why we have written minus 12. So the answer we have to write with minus 12. Now 19 y there is only one term, no like term with y. Then plus 16z plus 14z. So 16 plus 14 is how much? 30z. So this is our final answer. 16 plus 14 is 30z and bigger number is what? 16. 16 has plus sign. That's why 30 I have written with the plus sign. Now we will see vertical method of subtraction. How we will subtract by the vertical method. See, so first let us write the question again. What was the question? 4x plus 16z, first expression, and the second expression is what? 19y minus 14z plus 16x. So vertical method, first we will write the first expression 4x plus 16z, then we will write the second expression 19y. So we have to arrange according to the like terms, we will arrange. So 4x, below 4x what we will write? 16x. 16 has with sign plus, that's why plus 16x. Then below 16z I will write minus 14z, and as there is no y term in the first expression, so 19y, like that only I will write. So now, and we have to what? We have to subtract, that's why subtraction you have to give it in the bold. See, subtraction is the main sign. Now subtraction, what does it does? It changes all the sign of the second term. So plus becomes minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So now this sign will be considered as the second expression's sign. Okay, so 4x minus 16x is how much? Minus 12x. Then plus 16z plus 14z. Now as I have told you, this sign will be considered the sign of the second expression, not the sign which was there before, which after the sign, after subtraction, which get, and plus 19y minus 19y. As 19 has which sign now? Minus 19y. One more example we will see of subtraction. See, question is what? 5x plus 4y plus no, there will be 7, I guess. Let me see. Yes, 5x plus 4y plus 7z is there. 7. 5x plus 4y plus this is 7. 7z, not zz. 7z, first expression, and the second expression is x plus 2y plus 3z. So place that according to their variables. So x, now we have to what? Subtract. So subtraction, what does it does? It changes the sign of the second expression. So plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Second expression, not the first expression. It will change the sign of the second expression. So 5x minus x is how much? 4x. And 5 has bigger number is what? 5. So it will have plus sign only, plus 4x. Then plus 4y minus 2y is 2y, and bigger number is 4. So plus sign is given to 2y. 7x minus 3y is what? 3z. Sorry, 4z. 7z minus 3z is 4z, and bigger number is 7, so plus sign. Now we will see how to multiply this algebraic expression. As I have told you, you can use any one method, either vertical or horizontal, for addition and subtraction. Okay, now for multiplication, see, multiply. So 23, we will split up the terms. What is that? 23 into x into y square into 4 into y into z square. Okay, multiply. Now we will collect the like terms. There is no like term here, as we will just collect the numbers together and variables together. 23 into y, x into y square into y into z square. Now 23 into y is how much? 23 into 4 is how much? 92. X, there is only one x. Y square into y with no power means 1. So 2 and 1 becomes how much? 3. So y raised to 3. Z square, only z square is there. So this is how we carry out multiplication. Now see, the length of a rectangle is given as 8x plus 5 centimeter. This is what? Length of a rectangle. And the breadth is given as 5x plus 3 centimeter. Now we have to find its area. What they have asked to find the area. So let us see how to calculate the area of a rectangle. As we all know, area of a rectangle, what is the formula for area of a rectangle? Yes, length into breadth. So length into breadth. You can write it for L into B or full length into breadth. Now see. So length is how much? Length they have given as 8x plus 5 centimeter and breadth given as 5x plus 3. So just write there below length 8x plus 5 centimeter into breadth is how much? 5x plus 3 centimeter. See, centimeter. Now we will carry out the multiplication. So first term, first term you will multiply with the second expression whole, 5x plus 3. Then first expression second term plus, then 5. That you have to multiply with the second whole expression. So 8x, now you will open up 8x into 5x is 40 and x into x is x square. 8 into 3 is how much? 24. So plus 24x. And plus 5 into 5 is 25x. So here 5 into 3 is what? 15. So just you have to open up the bracket now. Now you will collect the like terms. See, 24x and 25x are like terms. So 24 plus, then like terms you can add it. So 24x plus 25x is becomes 49x plus 15. So this is your final answer. This which we get is what? Area of a rectangle. So write the conclusion. The area of a rectangle is what? Is 40x square plus 49x plus 15. See, 40x square plus 49x, like terms you can add it as I have told you. So, and you have to write the units also. Centimeter square. Why is centimeter square? As 2 centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter will become what? Centimeter square. 2 times centimeter, so centimeter square. Okay.